Yo, Camilo, la más que baba, es de la misma camila de su copy. ¿Qué qualifying anyway?
King Gabla with another hashtag Mootoka Royal Wedding. So if you want to share your pictures, please use those Twitter handles and we'll be having a common feed and enjoying the rhythm of the Empire is on the house to taste and savor the old beautiful Fedon drum sound. Ladies and gentlemen, we're now joined by our guest overnight.
Where the company was formed 35 years ago. We are very proud and honored to be part of this joyous occasion. And thank you all for the love and support that we've got as a company, but also for this opportunity to make a commitment towards the kingdom. On behalf of Excel, we pledge 30 million shillings to this person. Thank you. Thank you very much.
The beautiful Vivian. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, bro? I'm super. I know I had a lot going on in my life, but I'm super good now. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, I'm here to honor a king and the incoming queen. I mean, it's an honor for me to be here. Yeah.
So really happy.
Of course I am, and I'm looking forward to the 18th to attend the wedding. I can't wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tubadde tumanyi kansooke nkubuuze oli musoga?
Siri musoga but je kali akatonotono.
Kavaawo akatonotono?
It's daddy's side.
Your dad?
Yeah.
He's a musoga?
No, je kali katono. Si nyonyo ne je kali.
So kati awo naawe akasayo kasikamu
exactly.
Okay. So occasion ogisanze otya?
So far so good. So many speeches though. Good for people dressed to kill. It's really a good occasion. Yeah.
Vivian, tukumanyi ng'omukyala Mbagga oli wano ku lwaki? Purposely kuki?
Well, I was invited with my husband to be here. Only that he has so many business to take care of right now. So at least one of us had to be here. Yeah. Taliwo, just like I've told you, he has so many business to attend to. So at least I had to be here and he had to be somewhere else. But come 18th, he will be at the wedding. Yeah.
Ozze wekka naye ebiseera ebisinga era tulaba ojja wekka mu bifo occasions bwe ziti.
Anti tubaganamu
Mwegabanyamu.
twebaganyamu. Sorry, yeah, I think that's twebaganyamu so that nagambye ndi musoga nakugambye ndi musoga. He had to tend to certain businesses. In most cases abayina byakola netugamba okay, you be right there, let me be here, because wona batwetaaga. So business ebamutaso at least yeah. See, Bobby, oh God, life has been so good. Life has been so good that I give thanks to God. Everything is going the way it's supposed to go. My marriage is good. Everything is good. But we're good. Oh, we're good. We are good. Tomanya. You never know. We're married, you know. Yeah. Ibrayovayo. Yeah.
You used to spend money. What?
Of course, I still spend. If the money is there, I mean, if the money is there, and I spend it, but I spend it wisely now. Yeah. Yeah. People grow. I was extravagant. Yeah. Mukwano. We do it silently on the law. Yeah. He's good. He's good. He's doing so good.
You guys are silent. Because you used to see you together at Balabababidi.
Okay, just like I've told you, we've grown now. We have a lot on our plate. We really have a lot, Ibra. I'm sure you've not seen me out there for long. We've got so many business to attend to. So many. Even for me to be right here, there's a lot I've put just down on the plan. I'm like, no, I've got to do this. We have a lot going on, yeah. No, we were revamping. It's a revamp. Tetusobola kuvako kweri netulina byekikyatereza. Nga lwaki tukijjako really? No. Kweri. But it's a revamp, yeah. Mukwano gwani. No, I've seen him, but I don't know him much.
Physically?
No, yeah, I've seen him from a distance, but we're not like friends. I've not talked to him, so I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, I had, but I mean, it has nothing to do with me. You know, like he's not a friend. He's not someone like, I just see him. Yeah, I'm like you guys. But me, I just see him. Mumawulide, like. Yeah. Kuchakalirawa, what exactly do you mean? To spend money. Like, I'll be honest with you, I do charity. But I think I'm one person. I do it a lot on the low. Because when man calls a charity, that's something else. Nchikola from the bottom of my heart. I don't really need cameras. I do charities with my kids. My husband does charities a lot. So, we've grown. Tukuze banange. You know, everyone has a way they want to live their lives. As in, for me, for us, there was that time we just spend extravagantly. Like, of course, we used to work. We had businesses. To in a time limit. We're like, we have goals. We're like, we need to do this year. This year, we need to finish this. So, to get your pace. Yeah. mujje buziga mulabe buli street tugitwala. Yeah, no, we're doing really good. Tuli really doing good. Tetucha spending anga bino mabala bichi because there's nothing is adding on us. We're doing good. Yeah.
Vivian, do you have any other business?
Yeah. Oh, you want me to put it on camera? You know, when it comes to my businesses, my husband's limelight. But I have so many businesses. Those who know me, but I don't want to put it out there. Yeah, sagala zitaking out on air. I need this. Just itako buzigo gabuze bubuza ebizimbe by'omukyala biriwo ebizimbe by'omusajja biriwo. Then you'll know. Abamanyi. 3 kids. Really? Hey. I have 3 kids. Really? Yeah, I have 3 amazing kids.
Amazing kids?
Yeah.
So
you never know. I'm married, you know. I'm doing so good with my husband, so you never know. Yagwa. Thomas, but we are good.
Muvala Nsekere Joseph Mutamba Vicenti Katukiro wa Busoga n'omumyuka wo Alhaj Ahmed Nur Osman omumyuka wo owokubiri mu bwa Kyabasinga bwa Busoga baminisiters mwena okuva mu bwa Kyabasinga bwa Busoga abalangira n'abambega abakulu b'ebika niba kopi banange abatukiikirira mu palamenti ya Uganda abakozi ba gavumenti ng'ate gano mu kulwibwa omwami wange omwiseigaga okuva e Busikisegero na Waikona mwami permanent secretary wa ministry ya agenda ate nga ni mwami Kibenge ate nga atambwire ni mugalikwa wange ankuumire eyo mwami wange chairman wa organizing committee eyasoma makanika muzeeyi Batumbya wasoma bwa makanika tumukubire mu ngalo nali tukulira nga tutembeeta ekintu kino in a special way. Abaana abasomera e Busoga baliwo nga tozaalibwa Busoga nga wasomera Busoga bamuliwo muganike ku mikono mubakubire mu ngalo bawulira omulanga gwaffe abafuna abaleka Uganda yona nimujja e Busoga okulonda abaana abanga okubabwika ne bafuba okubona ng'ensiri tidibaluma bana mukube mubagube wanike ku mikono tubabone abaami baife abaida mwanoonya ife waife tubaniriza mwebalire irala Hajati Safina ate ibe n'owega no bali kuseka ibano olwalero lwakusagamba bana ife abakungaine gano mikwano gyaife tulina tiimu z'edda mikwano gyaife ed'endawulo galiwo tiimu y'enendo osookeraku ni tiimu eyaviireyo yataamu omuliro yakuma omuliro ekintu kino kyatumbuka ye mulimu akobanga muti Justin ayogere aye nga n'abamawulire media houses mwena b'enendo n'abamawulire tubakubire mu ngalo nendo otwala omukisa guno baba omulangira okutegeeza nti amawulire goona abamawulire aba radio aba TV bano abali online bano ab'obusimu obw'obujja obw'olundi nabo bona nga bungi olundi ku mikolo omusindikanga nti bujeere baba nategeera omugaso bwe twakoba nti tulina kuba n'empande n'empindi banamwide abantu abo nabo atuusa amaloboozi
Odeyo. Balamusiza.
And I'm Sam Mbagga, I'm also the community for media and entertainment. Maybe you can have some few questions, and then after Zari will be able to respond to you. And briefly, directionally, we will have some few remarks before we this press conference. Are there any kibuzo?
So, ladies and gentlemen, the reason why we gathered here today, we gathered here because we have the Mootoka Royal Banquet happening tomorrow at Kololo Commercial Grounds, Independence Grounds. The reason for the dinner, the gala dinner, is to get all Basogas together, those married to the Basogas, those involved in anything to do with Basogas, to come together and we raise this good cause of fundraising for the Royal Highness Kyabasinga.Bamuletede towards the wedding preparations. We have the actual wedding happening on the 18th of November, so we are actually asking for everyone involved to come and experience this gala dinner with us, and the fundraising is going to be as well.
Okay, thank you, Zari.
The fundraising in actually it's the road prep to the wedding and then okubeera nga 18. So fundraising in again akutuyambako nga abasoga okuba tukola omukolo omunene era ogw'amaanyi ogujja kabaka waffe. So that's the whole point of tomorrow's fundraising.
Besides that, we bali kuba mukyala mulungi bali kuba mukyala amirira. Okikola otya okumaintaininga such?
Gwe beera happy. Kyekyo kyokka, be happy. Ne bwobanga olina ebizibu. Nze abantu babeera n'okulooza naye ze babeera n'ebizibu mbeera nabyo nenneebaka kubeera ne bwe seebake era tebigenda kuvaawo era nja kuzuukuka ku makya nga weebiri. Kati nja kubeera happy ndye neebake ku makya nzuuke pressures ntandike buto naye nga neebase. So be happy. Abantu abasinga we overlook that point, peace of mind. Mulimu ekintu ekimu kyolina ogamba, my mental wellness, whatever. So I think I've learned to do that.
Besides that, kasooka to congratulating upon the award award in
award, it's I think best personality on the South African film industry. I think you have to do for Netflix. I didn't know drama is sort of fancy award, so well I didn't know it was that good. But award of wanting to have a demand to have a child was to come in our time. I think I was in South Africa. So at the back of my mind, I was demand tell us what I didn't Zari has signed. I'm like, okay, that's me. I was like, this is for Uganda. So yeah, that was nice.
Okay. Yeah. Wawulidde otya gwe ng'omukyala cause toli mu South Africa?
Okay, I was shocked. I was overwhelmed at the same time. Nobody sees Suvira. So at the end of the day, I was thinking about okay, eventually to kola tebigenda unnoticed. Obviously, wali omuntu atubeyo nagamba ebambye n'omukyala akola kino tukimowe. So I felt good that someone somewhere is appreciating me.
Okay.
Yeah.
N'ekirala twagala okumanya twabalabako emabegakaawo omukolo guno abantu baba ne bagamba nti Zari okoze omukolo guno okusingira ddala twagala okumanya kituufu omukolo gwali because abantu abasinga baali badawutinga. What was the fact that omukolo kituufu kiki?
So omukolo gwaliyo, my family flew to South Africa, family yajja South Africa, but we sold the rights exclusively to Netflix. So kati nga bebalina obuairinga
aba
Netflix. That's why it was a very intimate, close maybe. Django. Okay, so we sold the rights exclusively to Netflix. Ekyobola nti Mbagga yali eyo era abantu bajja kuba bagiraba nga show for me. We should be sometime next year.
Ninga kituufu yali Mbagga?
Yeah, it was. Yalinga kangambira reception yaffe kubanga jjukira twakola nika before that. Then reception yali Mbagga n'ejja oluvannyuma. So yali Mbagga.
Omanyi twagala tusambye ebintu bino mangu nsonga tolina budde. emabega kawo twapulaba n'omuntu amanyiddwa nga Dama ex-boyfriend oba taata w'abaana bo at the same time olw'okuba embeera yaliwo n'okuba nga olina obutakkaanya naye then netulaba nga abaana abakimi ayagala batwalako eri TZ the same time netulaba ate ng'ali ne Shakib okola otya okuba nga co-parenting eno?
I think it takes a lot of maturity to sokera ddala kubanga it's one thing putting the two men together nobagamba okay osobola okusinkana ono because I think oba kirimu ffe bakazi tusikanga n'emiguwa but I think at some point when I turned it down when we were having a conversation about I got married and this is what's happening nagamba I want to meet jama wako that's how we said it nenga Shakib what I had a talk with Diamond in fact azayagala kutwala abaana. He says he wants to meet you because you spend a lot of time with his kids more than he does. Kati of course abayagala amanye omuntu abeera n'abaana bange ali atya. Ne mubuuza Shakib, are you done for it? Yes. Diamond, yes. It happened and it was the easiest thing for me to do. Namukwasa obuvunaanyizibwa nange sikyali mu bulamu bw'abaana bwa mukyalo oyo naye mulinamu abaana. So at this point kinkoze bulungi okutegeera nti bwali n'abaana bange ate engeri gye njogeddemu naawe oli guy mukkakkamu and everything and he was happy. So I was shocked they instantly became friends. They exchanged numbers, they chat. I'm like, okay, it was that simple. But I think singa nange nali muntu nga seetengeredde nga siyimiridde bulungi I don't think both parties would agree. But engeri gye nakireetamu n'oli nakikiriza nono easy.
Goza kakodyo ki bumanyirivu ki obuli awo bw'omukyala okuvayo n'oba nga abantu bano bakwasaganya kubanga bakonectinga oba bakwatagana nga tebeerumalu ekyo tuyita nti waliwo olutalo between two men.
Oba kitunuuliddemu oli taata w'abaana bange agenda kubeera mu bulamu bwange for a long time tagenda kuvaawo. He will always come and see the kids, whatever involves the kids, not me particularly, but the kids. Ate nekira kati ono bba wange si wange boyfriend wange because I've had people in between there naye tebamumeeting ako naye ono bba wange mwami wange. So I think the best thing for these two kyali kyakujja together to say look my kids are here naye ate kati naawe oli mu bulamu bwabwe how do we work together kuba abanga kukwasiza obuvunaanyizibwa nti kati nina omwana omulenzi Milan are you going to train my son to be a man nze siri wange omusajja I'm not in his life are you going to do the honors kati bwoba togenda ku meeting amusajja agenda kuraisinga mwana wo mufuula an adult enkyawo oba ogenda kukola kyekirala I think what Diamond did and what Shakib did was the best thing to do. Kabe mukazi omusajja akuleetedde ofumiddwa omukazi ffe tusikanga n'omugwa naye at the end of the day oli stable mother babaana gye babeera yabakuza bw'oba mazima ogenda kuba nga osigagana n'omukazi oyo era bagenda kuba kubonyabonya abaana bo.
So was it their first time okubanga bameeting oba bameetingako before nebongeramuko?
Look, I met Diamond sometime yalina concert e Johannesburg and yali ne bakyali abaali ba organizers of that event and wakafaananyi in social media circulating but I think now was the second time but the second time is more official. So kisoboka. I think kisoboka women we can also do the same thing. It's very possible.
Engeri era siwe tubeera mu co-parenting zino omusajja time limit Diamond gy'abeera n'abaana naawe n'obeera naye you guys mumala kiteesaako nti bagenda kujja ewange bamale like nnaku bwe ziti oba
ebintu bya co-parenting birimu engeri kati waliwo school days ze zisinga obungi school days balina okuba nga balinanga ebiseera ebisinga kuba basoma and all of that. Diamond on the other hand atambula nnyo abeera mu shows biki kati naye mba ngambye nti kale abaana mbakuwadde babeere Tanzania era tebagenda kuba mu bulamu obwo because we always travel always tuba mu studio so we've worked it in a way to when they're in holidays basobola okubeera naye or abasobola okubatumya baana be at the end of the day we not together baana be he still has a right to say I want my kids ate nange nga omuzadde number 2 sobola gamba lwaki mbakuwa lwaki mbasimamu again
nabo ogambye nti n'abakyala bakole ekintu kyekimu okubeera bajja oba abaana omukyala abakuliza abaana should we wait for you to meet Zuchu?
I've met Zuchu. I speak to Zuchu all the time. Nkubira esimu z'aba Tifa nga teziriiko. I miss Tifa, can I speak to Tifa? So I speak to Zuchu. I speak to Tanasha. Like, we do speak. Shockingly. No, I don't. I don't really have business with her. Sina business now.
lise mujjawo
si mujja wange mujjawo ye muntu nti oli bba wange ate ono mukazi wo ono aba mujja wange bamisa si mujja wange ebintu bya misa ebyo mujja bibuuza Diamond kuba yamanyi ebiri wakati n'omwana oyo oba wuwe oba si wuwe oba ki era Diamond alina ensonga ze lwaki amusalako. It's not in my position kutandika kwemanyiza gye sirina kugenda kuba taata we bwakeera ku makya naye naawe nga amwesazeeko kati nze it's not my place.
buno obufumbo bukutwala butya obukonyiriza bwe buti
nyirira obufumbo bunyongeddeko naye nga eva nyirira obufumbo buli fine, you know, for tukyali mu honeymoon phase and I hope we keep it that way. I think also my past relationships zimpadde ekyokuyiga. I'm more calm, I'm more patient, and I'm not patient. So I'm a better person. Yeah, I think what I think is Jante because tally all over like that. So with me being all over like that, no, you tone down automatically. What do you know? So I think, but he's a good guy.
Zari, era wenyine twagala okumanya olina statement gye wakole mabegakaawo omwana ono omuyitafala
ebintu ebyo nga byali badda nebyogerakera na saali agadde kubiddamu naye singa wawulira statement eyo that was not a statement that was supposed to go to the public. Statement eyo nali njiwereza mukwano gwange ali UK ng'agamba ebintu bya immigration ibra ne bwoba oli mugezi otya ate ye UK kino kibuuza omuntu yenna atambulako immigration ye UK tesaaga ne bwoba olina visa n'otagala butagazi mu statement bakuza kweddako nga visa ne walinnye n'otuuka awo wenyini egiteni kuba story zo tezikwatagana. So it was more in a defensive mode kugamba bba wange ajja look out for him kola booti ne booti muyambe mukubire mu briefing tekyali mu bubi. If you had that statement, I was having his back, I was protecting him because I wanted him aitewo. So publicly I started moving, but he was attached a bit, but between me and him, Lutaya knows.
Kino kyalekawo obufumbo nga Lutaya reaction ye yaleetanga amaze okulya such a statement.
Sijja kulimba as a man, his ego was broken. What wonjogerako nemikwano jo, like I trust you, oli mukazi wange, you're supposed to be building me, not breaking me. Kyaletawo embeera, I don't want to lie. But eventually, mwetondera baby olaba tekyali bwekityo but kyali for the goodness of it nakitegeera and he understood mikwano gye ne bamukubira nga kyali wafe olaba ebyo bibeerawo omukazi yali akwagala biki so no he let it go.
Omukyala ayitaka bwomumanyi
alina irrelevant alina sente bulungi ali well established ali ku international levels nganze bwaba tebali mu ezo level wano tetuboogerako talk about beyond
still ku Mbagga obadde wano n'ogamba nti no obadde ku Mbagga n'ogamba nti Mbagga ya Kabaka egenda kuba ereetebwa mu awangambe nga ina receptions ez'enjawulo tusubireyo neyiyo gireeta ku wano okubanga
obviously because remember it was a bit exclusive so we have plans nakokoma wano tetejja kuba Mbagga bino reception nga pate nga nene nnyo nga kadi zigenda mu mikwano gyaffe nti mujje this is just like an after party y'Embagga kuba twakola nneka ne tukola Embagga tetusobola kudda mu Mbagga
lwaki mu bitukweka this one oli big brand Zari
kasente kuba sobola okuwa sente
bitukweka kati ffe abafamire yo kati
batuwa sente nga mmeka
kugamba otya jamaa bulungi seeka omukyala aba omunyirivu
Salamu alaikum.